So a lot of beginners, when it comes to using time-based effects, they make this mistake of adding the delay or a reverb on an insert of the track they're working on.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
So this way your delays tend to sound a little amateurish, you don't have any character to the delay, and also you don't have any particular control to the delay you're trying to add. Let's look at a better way of adding delays to your vocal track. First, let's create an auxiliary track. Let's name this delay. And then here I'm just going to open a stock Logic delay plugin. Increase our sends. And then make sure your output mix is at 100%, both left and right.
I feel I'm getting older.
Let's bring down the feedback to around 15%. And then before the delay, I'm just going to add a simple reverb so that my delay doesn't sound too dry. I'm just going to bring down the mix and the decay.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
I'm just going to create a low cut around 600 Hz.
I feel I'm getting older.
So my reverb doesn't affect the low end frequencies of the vocal track. And then before the reverb, I'm just going to add a basic saturation plugin. The one I'm using is a free plugin, but you can use whichever saturation plugin you want to use. So this adds a little bit of character to your sound.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
And finally, I'm going back to my delay. And then I'm going to create a low cut and also a high cut. So only certain band of frequencies get affected by the delay. So this cleans up a lot of unwanted frequencies on your delay.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
And finally, I'm going to open up a compressor plugin. And then I'm going to sidechain my main vocals to this delay. I'm going to switch off auto gain and then auto release. Just going to increase the release a little bit and then bring down the threshold.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
So this can be adjusted according to the song, according to the feel, and according to your taste.
I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling. I feel I'm getting older, and leaves will keep falling.
So hopefully this helps, guys. If it did, give it a like and also share it to your friends. And if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing. I'll see you soon on another new video. Take care and bye.